Some typical maths methods exam questions to be ready for. For this question, we've got consider the function f where f of x is defined by this rule. The graph of f of x has a turning point at 2 minus 1. Find the values of a and b in terms of c. We need to write the values of two variables, so we need to write down two pieces of information. The first information we know is that when x is equal to 2, y or f of x is going to equal minus 1, and we can write this as f of 2 is equal to minus 1. The second information we have is that we know that we have a turning point at this point, and so we can say that the derivative f dash of 2 is going to equal 0. From here we can set up the equations in the calculator and then solve for the values of a and b. The first thing you want to do is define the function f of x. Just keep in mind that you actually need to manually enter in the multiplication sign between the letters and the variable x. To make the calculations easier, we're also going to define the derivative f dash of x, and we're going to call this d for derivative of f of x. And now we set up the simultaneous equation and then solve for the values of a and b. And now solving for a and b. And so therefore the values of a and b in terms of c is going to be a is equal to c minus 4 over 4, and the value of b, if we expand the brackets, is going to equal 3 minus c. To learn how to answer more exam questions similar to this one, then check out mathsmethodsclub.com.au.